Memorial Day weekend is the unofficial start of summer and the perfect time to make sure your vehicle is road trip ready.
Well, the best advice is to come see us for sure and have us check over your vehicle.
Even before you bring it in, there are a few things you can check yourself.
I would say just check your fluids under the hood, washer fluid, oil. Sometimes oil's under the hood, sometimes it's inside the car, your little display. And then the other thing to check is very important is your tires, tire pressure, and your tread depth. To me, that's the most important thing on your vehicle. Obviously, the car will go, but the tires is what keeps you on the road.
Need help? That's where BA Auto Care comes in.
We would check your tread depth, we would check your tire pressures, check all your fluids, make sure your fluids are topped off, and check the condition of those fluids.
Don't forget the small stuff. It can make a big difference.
Like wipers. Wipers are a thing we sometimes forget about until we're out there driving in the rainstorm, and then we're like, oh, I can't really see. Your filters, like your cabin filter and stuff. Sometimes if the cabin filter's not changed, you can smell that, and then obviously like your engine air filter to help with fuel economy.
Whether it's a weekend trip or a long summer drive, peace of mind starts with preparation. Call 410-381-2700 to schedule your summer maintenance check or book online at baautocare.com. BA Auto Care, we've got your back so you can enjoy the road ahead.